Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Dr. John, and today is going to be absolutely insane. We're diving headfirst into the world of drone vlogging. Imagine capturing shots so epic, so mind-blowingly beautiful that people watching will be picking their jaws up off the floor. If you're a vlogger looking to take your content to the next level, you've got to stick around. This isn't just about pretty pictures. This is about unlocking a whole new dimension of storytelling. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's talk about the magic of aerial shots. Before drones, getting these kinds of shots was a huge deal. You needed helicopters, cranes, permits, a whole film crew. It was a massive production, but now we've got these little beasts, these drones, that can capture the same cinematic quality footage, all while fitting in your backpack. We're talking about soaring over mountains, skimming across lakes, capturing entire cities in the palm of your hand. It's about giving your audience a whole new perspective on the world. These drones are getting smarter, more stable and more affordable every single day. This technology is putting the power of professional filmmaking directly into your hands. One of the things I love most about drones is the unique perspective they offer. We're so used to seeing the world from eye level, but drones allow us to break free from that limitation. Imagine this. You're walking through a forest, camera in hand, and you come across this incredible waterfall. You get your shots, sure, but with a drone you can take it to a whole other level. You can launch it up, fly it out over the falls, and show the water cascading down into the pool below. Drones allow you to play with scale and perspective in a way that's just not possible with traditional cameras. They give you the power to find those hidden angles, those unexpected compositions that will make your vlog stand out from the crowd. Let's be real, shaky footage can ruin a good vlog. That's where drones come in with their secret weapon, stabilization. These things are packed with some seriously advanced technology. We're talking about gyroscopes, accelerometers, and onboard computers that keep your footage buttery smooth, even when the drone is battling wind or flying at high speeds. Imagine flying alongside a moving car or following a biker as they bomb down a mountain trail, all while capturing rock-steady footage. And the best part, most of this stabilization magic happens automatically. The drone does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what matters most, telling your story. One of the things that drew me to drones was their incredible versatility. These things are built to handle pretty much anything you can throw at them. Whether you're exploring bustling cityscapes, rugged mountain ranges, or serene coastlines, there's a drone out there that can capture it all. You can launch your drone from a moving boat to capture the vastness of the ocean. You can send it soaring through canyons to reveal hidden waterfalls and breathtaking rock formations. You can even fly it through abandoned buildings, adding an element of eerie beauty to your vlogs. Need to capture a fast-paced action sequence? No problem. Drones can keep up with the action, delivering dynamic and engaging footage. Want to get a unique perspective on a large crowd or event? Drones can give you that bird's-eye view that will make your viewers feel like they're part of the action. The possibilities are pretty much endless. At the end of the day, vlogging is all about storytelling. It's about connecting with your audience on a personal level, sharing your experiences and taking them on a journey. And drones, my friends, are the ultimate storytelling tool. A well-placed drone shot can do so much more than just look cool. It can set the scene, establish the mood, and give your viewers a sense of place. Imagine you're vlogging about a solo backpacking trip. You could use a drone to capture the vastness of the wilderness, emphasizing your solitude and connection to nature. Drones give you the power to control the narrative, to guide your viewers' emotions, and to create a truly immersive experience. They allow you to tell stories that are not only visually stunning, but also deeply engaging and emotionally resonant. So there you have it, my friends. That's how drones are totally transforming the world of vlogging. From capturing breathtaking aerial shots to adding a new dimension to your storytelling, drones are the ultimate creative tool for any vlogger looking to elevate their content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. And hey, let me know in the comments how you plan to use drones in your vlogging adventures. I'm dying to see what you guys come up with. Keep creating, keep pushing boundaries, and I'll catch you in the next one.